This is page 98 and 99. I'm going to cover all of this in one lesson here. On page 98, they talk about rippling triplets. Isn't that nice? We're dealing with sequence going up or down, and they're triplets. That's all. The pattern is a triplet. And we're going to finger them all the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here. Go down. Big deal. That's really all it is. I mean, they got pictures of the hand doing this and that or whatever. I'm simply saying, stay relaxed. Let the hand, don't force the hand into some, just stay relaxed. The left hand, you do the same thing. You can do the hands together and go in opposite directions. Use the same fingers. I mean, it's kind of nice and fun and all that. Otherwise, I don't see a lot of point. Let's go talk about this etude on page 99. Got a lot of broken chords and they're triplets. They have practice suggestions. It's fine. Practice however you think is right. I will talk about the etude. So look it over. It's a page long. Treble and bass clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature. So it's either in C major or A minor. If we look at the end, we're here. A minor chord, figure we're in A minor. Do the scales for both though. C major and A minor, yeah, just do them. And 4/4 time signature, and we got broken chords everywhere. One way to approach this is forget just get the notes. So we're here, and then here it's 4 chord, 1 chord, a 5/7 chord. Remember there's 4 notes on a 5/7 chord. Neither hand is using them, but when you put them together, we got them all. I go through and I make sure I get the chords. Measure 5, go over, and 4, well, AVA at the end, enter and go down. Okay. Then once I have that, then I can put in the triplets. 1 enda, 2 enda, or triplet, triplet. I can finger at the measure 2 at the end. I can use second on that. If I don't want to be up here, I do that. You're just doing all that. Last line, measure 7, you go. Make sure they're all even. 1 enda, 2 enda, 3, all the way through. You don't have to go that fast. You take it at your speed, and then go back over it slowly and get rid of the hesitations. And then we add the articulation, which this is pretty connected. They have the slur. No, I suggest you connect this whole thing together. Connect it all. Yeah. Then the dynamics. There's no real melody here, so it's everything here. Loud, whatever you think loud is. It's heavy, a lot of weight here. Second line, soft. You're kind of echoing that. Third line, loud. You have an accent on that A at the top. That's a very loud note then. Don't pound on it. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Last line, you're going to go up from moderately, plan that out. Don't get loud to the last measure. So you're just going to go up a little bit, and it's like each beat just got to hear louder. So moderately loud, stay there, a little louder, louder, now louder, loud. And you end it loud, both hands. Yeah. And once I have that working out, then I'll add the speed. This isn't a fast piece, it's not a slow piece. If it's slow, 1 and 2, it's not fast. It's somewhere in the middle. It's kind of a nice leisurely pace. The triplets, I want to slow it down, but the beat, the natural accent, I want to speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opinion, that's about right. That's fine. Assuming you can play it accurately. Now they've added pedal. You can use pedal if you want to. You don't need it. We do just fine without. And you certainly learn it without pedal first. If you want to add pedal, it's overlapping pedal, and you're changing it with the harmony, with the chords. That's all we're doing here. So it's overlapping. I'll push the note down first. Make sure you get the pedal down in time to catch the note. And change it right after play the note. Now I have a habit, because sometimes when it's quick like this, if you don't get the pedal down quick enough, you won't catch the note. It doesn't come. So I have a habit of finger pedaling the first note, like one extra note. I'll hang it and then left up. This ensures I can catch it with the pedal. That's all I'm doing. Like so, except at the end. Keep that note down. Technically, you should keep that down all the way to the end of the line. Everything comes up together. Sometimes I get excited and don't follow me. You do it right. Yeah. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the pedal because you hear the notes better without it. So I'll give us 4 counts. We're going to go slow for me anyway, considering there's triplets. 1, 2, ready, and go, and 1.